What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys me putting together my new couch. I'm actually decorating my entire apartment and I hope to take you guys along with me on that entire journey. It's gonna take some time just because of everything that's happening with COVID-19, so that has slowed down my process a little bit with like buying new things, but I am looking forward to the journey and can't wait to share it all with you guys. So the first thing that I got is a couch. This was my first time buying a couch online without actually seeing it in a store. I had a little bit of difficulty with buying my couch because I knew I wanted a like rich blue navy velvet one, but I didn't want to spend an arm and a leg on it. And I also wanted to be sensitive to the chemicals and things that are used in the couch. Like a lot of couches that you buy, it has like this chemical that can cause cancer within the material. So it took me quite a while to find a couch that was both cute and like affordable and exactly what I was looking for, but without the chemicals. But I finally found a cute piece, and if you're interested in seeing it, then keep watching. So that wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me put together my couch. Just details about the couch. I'm very grateful that the color was very true to the color that I saw online. I was super nervous about it being a little off, not bright enough, and having to return it after having it shipped here and all of that. Returning it would have been a headache. So I'm super grateful. It's very vibrant. It's the perfect color that I wanted. It works perfectly in my living room. It wasn't too bad putting it together. The arms did give us a bit of a problem. Like, you definitely need two people to do that part, but other than that, it was fairly simple, easy delivery. There were no issues. They brought it up. Everything was perfect. And also the couch is super firm. Like, for those of you who like a couch where it's like fluffy and you melt in it, like, no, this one does not do that. It's very firm, but I like that. Like, my bed is really soft, so I also like to have something else that's hard. It's really it's good for your back sometimes to sleep on a hard surface. Rather than sleeping on a floor, I have a couch that's pretty firm. I'm super excited. Let me know your thoughts. If you're interested in purchasing this, I will link it below. That is it for now. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.